Hi again, this is Professor Gates. This is just a quick refresher and maybe a first time for anyone using Blackboard. You log into the homepage for Santiago Canyon College and you can choose to enter Blackboard from here. Once you are in Blackboard, you will have your choice of classes, and depending on how you have it set up, mine are in the middle, and you click on the class that we are working on. And here I try to lay things out pretty much the same in every course. So if you've had one of my courses before, then you'll see they're pretty similar. We start off with the home page, then announcements. Your announcements, I have a welcome letter, also have the textbook bundle information. One thing you do want to do is you do want to read this carefully and watch the video so that you know how to get the textbook and what is the correct textbook. Our office hours are here, which are pretty much flexible, as anyone will know that's had me already. Phone, email, text, I'm available. In the next section, we have introductory documents. Now, one thing you will notice is some of these things are repeated in several areas. So the syllabus quiz, after you've read the syllabus, is also in Learning Unit 1. It links to that. So some of these items are cross-linked. So you can see the video for Rockwell textbook will take you back to the original page. So don't be confused by that. I just like to make sure if you're looking for something, you can find it. The syllabus is also on here. Now, in order to get the textbook, I have put the Rockwell Publishing link right here. So when you click on it, it will take you directly to the page. There is video instruction on how to use that. Next, you have important dates. Again, some things may be repeated, but these are the most important dates to remember. To start with, you have your refund dates, drop without a W, drop with a W, last day to add, and then we move down to the actual course content. So your learning units, because we are doing this in an 8-week course, there are 8 learning units. Within each learning unit, you will see links to each item. Here we have the syllabus quiz, which is the first thing due. Then you have the pre-test, introduction and exam, which is done through Rockwell. And most people get about 30% on this. It is a basic evaluation tool for me. If I go through this and I find everybody has done an amazing job in one particular sector, I know I can focus more heavily on materials that maybe were a little lighter. The next thing is an introduction and biography. Now, I like to do this and have a little bit more fun with it because the bio is going to be done with a video. So basically, I want you to just use your smartphone or a friend's smartphone and do a video of yourself, just, 30 seconds to a minute. Introduce yourself, state some of the information that is in here, and then just what easiest thing to do is to then just email it to yourself. Once you do that, it's already in the correct format to then be uploaded into this page. Okay, so you would click on link and it will ask you, what are you doing? Creating a thread. And then from there, you would enter information. You would say, okay, I'm going to upload or attach a file. That's how you would do it. Okay, so what's next? Learning units. Still, each week will just tell you exactly what is required. And there'll be assignments, there's a link to Rockwell, there's discussion boards, and also exercises. So please note, that not everything is done on Rockwell and not everything is done on Blackboard. There are different quizzes and exams and exercises and discussions on both platforms. So you need to make sure that you're very careful with checking your agenda and making sure that you keep on top of the assignments. We also have a link here for assignments, which just breaks them down. They are all individually listed in the week they are due. This is just another place if you wanted to do a quick check. Next, you've got a Q&A forum. If you want to use this, you can create a thread, you can ask questions. The only stupid question is the one you don't ask. So in this, if you have something that you are curious about that other classmates may be able to answer for you, please go ahead and put your questions in here. If you need my attention or you need Professor Vort's attention, please email us or call us direct. This is more for you asking other students and getting help, resolving issues between you as a team. The link here is for your grades. There's Blackboard help and there's resources. May or may not have a lot in here. So there's a lease sample, contracts. These are all to do with resources you may want to look at, but they're also resources that you may be using for an assignment. Also in here are the PowerPoints, which are, when I do face-to-face classes, the PowerPoint slides which I would use. So some people find it handy to read through these or just to keep them on hand to write notes. And in here I also have some contracts which we use to view. They're the up-to-date contracts from OCAR. Apart from that, you have a link to email me and Professor Vort. So hopefully that gives you a quick rundown on how to, if you do not have your login or you have not accessed Blackboard or anything yet, and you really have to get into the office and speak to someone to be able to get you into everything you need access to. Okay, well, good luck and see you in a week. Okay, thanks. Bye.